Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Trust you are doing good wherever you're watching me from. This is Cook on Budget, and on today's menu we are going to be making a very quick recipe. Jollof coconut rice and beans, or beans and rice, any way you want to call it. So it's not difficult, very simple. Just get your coconut, blend it, and quickly sieve it to extract the milk. Before doing this, make sure you have cooked your beans to almost done, in fact to done, and your rice to almost done, right? And then you are good to go. So here is the milk already extracted, and I double sieved. The first was sieving with the sifter, and then this is with the cheesecloth to make sure I have no particles. So it is crystal pure right now, okay? And then we get straight to cooking. Now this is the chaff. I'm going to be drying it because I will be using it for something else. Now in your pot, add your vegetable oil. You do not need much because the coconuts already contain oil. So after getting it a little bit hot, you add your ginger and garlic. That's what I just added. And next was onion. Everything was grated to have the particles. If you want it smooth, you can blend it. And then I just added the scotch bonnet pepper. Give it a good stir, guys, and allow it to simmer or to fry for some minutes. Then you add thyme. After it has fried for some minutes, we introduce the milk, coconut milk, the deal breaker for this recipe, guys. Remember, you don't need much oil because the coconut milk or already has oil. And I went in with some cubes of seasoner, and then added the crayfish, and this is bay leaf. Give it a good stir. Taste for salt. If you're okay, then you cover it and allow it to boil. When it comes to a boil, this place smells so good with the fragrance of coconut. Give it another good stir and then introduce the rice. Remember, I said you should put your rice and beans to almost done, so you don't need much water. You don't need to overwater the milk, like you don't need to add water excess, so that the milk can give you the flavor, okay? Then give it a smooth stir, so you don't potter everything, you don't mess up everything, you don't let me get it to the point that it will start burning easily. Then you just add the beans. Look at me showing you that the beans was almost done, and then you don't have to stir at this time. You don't have to stir it together because the beans is done. So you just level it and then introduce your so nicely, guys, and I introduced some scent leaf to give it a little bit scent and touch of vegetable. Okay, cover it again to boil, and at this point it's ready to be stirred together. So I'm removing the protein so it doesn't get pieces inside the pot or lost. Now give this a gentle stir to mix everything together. Guys, this kitchen smells so good. And after that, it is time to introduce back the protein in the pot and get this dish served. This is it, guys. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, share it. Till I see you next time. Bye.